got to the airport. Let's go. Where are you, Arturo? Day 1. Episode 1?
Episode 1, babe.
True routine of big cities.
Is it really happening or no? Damn, dude, I already have my radio. We are stuck in Minneapolis.
Freaking got delayed once. No, I got canceled, then delayed, and now we're here. And waiting for Arturo. Arturo's on another plane.
Yeah.
No.
No. We got what?
Fucking delayed.
We got split up because of the snowstorm or blizzard, huh?
Yeah.
And now we're all back
The
together.
hurricane season was over.
Let me get my gloves out.
I am Edwin Cruz, and I am in the Bronx. Day 1. I'm using the subway system. Next stop is, I believe, 7th Avenue. Then we're gonna go to Central Park. See you there. Alright, so we got lost on the subway. Took the wrong train. Got dropped off really far, then had to come back. And now we're finally here. And it's fucking cold. Trying to take a video with my camera, just in my fingers. I feel so freaking dead. I'm finally getting life into them. And then True G in the big cities here. Episode 1. Looks pretty badass. I feel my hand. Fucking freezing out here. Not meant for this. I'm a fucking mountain person. Soy de rancho. But it's fucking cold here. Woo. First time trying the New York pizza. Let's see if $1 pizza's worth the hype. So this is where we're staying at. Give you a little tour of our little Airbnb apartment. This is where we made our first freaking sopa maruchan with faucet water. The backup sopas. Second floor. This is where I sleep, or where I'm sleeping. Arturo. Our bathroom. It's cool. It's cool. And this is Michael's room. Michael has 2 beds. But it's fucking cold in here. I don't know why his room is colder than ours. Maybe it's these snowflakes. But I think he's asleep in our room today. So that's our first day. I was hoping to film more, but it was way too cold. So hopefully tomorrow I'm gonna get some more footage. And I can stand the coldness because tomorrow's supposed to be a colder day. So till tomorrow. Alright, today's day 2. I have to wear the same jacket because the other one I don't think is gonna do me justice in the cold. I have a different sweater though. Look at this. Let's go into the cold, into the wild.
Sí, señor, porque yo soy un artista, no soy una marioneta.
Esto también es cuestión de opiniones.
Walking to the metro booming on the beat.
be a overhyped pizza, huh? Maybe.
I don't know.
Maybe. $15 each.
Alright, so we just got done eating our $15 or $20 pizzas, and yesterday we had dollar slices over in New York by Times Square. So let's see what you guys thought. What do you think, Michael?
Dude, it was 20 for 4 slices. I think it was okay. Overhyped for sure.
Yeah, honestly, it wasn't like fucking mind-blowing or anything. I thought the dollar slices were better. What about you, Arturo?
Yeah, I would go still with the dollar slice. Way better than $20 pizza for 4 slices. It's not worth it.
I thought the pizza was a little too chewy. I think it's all that cheese they put on there. The crust is good though, nice and crunchy.
The crust kind of tastes like Little Caesar crust.
It did. Alright, off to Soho. We're at Grand Central. I don't know what it's called. Grand Central something. What do you think, Mike?
Huh?
What do you think?
What do you mean, the location?
Yeah.
It's nice. It's different.
I don't know how we got here, but we're here and it's pretty badass. It's Arturo and me. Took a couple subways. Went to Grand Central. Grand Central, right?
Yeah,
On 42nd Street. It's pretty badass. But there's too many people and we can't really stand around. And now we're here at the ice rink. It's fucking cold, but it looks pretty fucking cool. Stop cutsy so much.
Go.
Hard ass.
That was in the sink.
So my hands just died from being outside, so I'm gonna go to the next to the fish to go warm up.
We're leaving home. It looks really dark, but it's not that late. And it's pretty cold.
We gotta wake up
Not like
early
yesterday.
tomorrow.
We have to work up early tomorrow, huh?
Yeah, we have to wake up early. That's
Because
why
today,
we're home.
Arturo G didn't wake up early and it's his fault. The compression pants?
Yes, because it's cold and shit outside.
You're wearing the compression pants inside the house?
Yeah.
And you're gonna get used to it outside?
Yeah.
Alright, day 3. We're gonna be shooting who? Rickie Lane. We're gonna go eat. Hopefully not spend too much money, because it's expensive out here. He thinks I'm weird because I'm talking to the camera and it is fucking weird. Look at him. He's been wearing the same compression pants for like fucking
Fuck you,
7
too,
days
look.
straight.
Same boxers from last night.
But they're not the same compression pants.
This is compression pants. I'm not even wearing them. Like fucking I have boxers underneath.
It's day 3 and for some reason I feel like today it took a lot longer to get ready. You?
What?
To get ready just to get out?
No, it's just that it's the afternoon.
Because the wants to look fresh as fuck.
No, is that we woke? Well, basically we woke up late.
Yeah, we did. We're supposed to be up by like 7, I think. We didn't get up till 12? 12, right? Or 11:30?
But you went back to sleep.
No, I stayed awake. I just closed my eyes. Let's go, guys.
My Facebook photos anymore. You don't even stalk my Instagram anymore. There is no communication.
The White Castle coffee.
No
At first, I was like, it tastes like shit. But now after drinking it with this freaking cold, it's okay. What do you think?
I think it's okay. At first I thought the same. Yeah, Arturo, never interrupt us when we're trying to make a video over here. I told you already. Where's my wife is? Which one? The left or right? My right or my left? Oh, you have toilet
Behind you?
No.
Off the metro on Junction Street. We freaking saw tamales and champurrado lady. Look at this. It's snowing today. It looks so cool in movies when it snows, but that shit hurts. Especially when it gets in your eyes.
Churro G Express. Chavo del Ocho. I don't think it was that cold till we got into the snow. My hands were freezing and it started snowing. Found this little small park out of nowhere. I don't even think it's a park. But we're going for the 9/11 memorial. We came across this and had to stop to take a picture and a video. So it looks pretty sick. It's like everywhere we go we find something new. The only thing is that it's really cold, so it's kind of hard to get around. Ooh, and it's slippery. I think we're here at the 9/11 memorial. I was expecting some lights, but I think it's till it gets darker. Either that or I'm tripping. They have a little waterfall going on right now. I'll shoot it right now. Can I get a slutty pumpkin, please? Yes, you can. What happened, Arturo? He's recommending bad spots, and I told him if we go there and it's whack, he's gonna get a punch to the stomach. Hey, we went, it's not even open, and we can't even find it. Hey, where is it, Arturo?
I don't know where it's at.
You see, look, ready for this punch in the stomach? Go to the side, so they can see the reaction. Ready? You hit me hard. I'm gonna hit you hard. I'm gonna kick your ass. He's gonna get punched because he... The lunch truck's supposed to be here, or whatever it is? Food truck. The food truck? The lunch truck? La cucaracha? The King of L's is here. In Jersey. In Jersey, baby.
So today was our last day and the subway sucked ass. Coney Island was so dead, maybe because of all the snow. Everything was closed. What else did we do today? Woke up early for no reason, huh? Almost 2 hours to go to Coney Island. The subways were on standby, like Arturo.
That's probably why I got sick, because Arturo was drinking my water.
I know, I'm taking birdies.
So glad I'm going back tomorrow. I'm done with this. We're here at the airport, American Airlines. It was 6 days in New York, which I thought was way more than enough. 2 days would have been enough. Our flight is until 6:30. Board at 6, so we have a couple hours here. It's barely 4 in the morning, so see you when we get there.
Hey, Michael, roaster or what? What are you doing? Hey, Michael, what are you taking Edwin?
You don't have to work and slave. Let electricity do it for you. You can have your...